Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java using Brocode's full guide. We will begin by understanding why Java is a powerful and versatile language, used in countless applications. Then, I'll walk you through setting up your development environment, including downloading the Java Development Kit and installing an integrated development environment such as IntelliJ. Finally, you'll create your very first Java project and execute a basic Hello World program. Next, we dive into the fundamental building blocks of Java. You'll learn about different variable types, how to handle user input, and perform mathematical operations. We'll cover essential control flow, including if statements, switch cases, and various loops to manage program execution. A significant portion focuses on methods for code organization and the core principles of object-oriented programming, such as creating objects and understanding inheritance. Moving beyond the basics, we'll explore more advanced Java topics. This includes deeper dives into object-oriented programming concepts like polymorphism and abstraction, which are crucial for robust software design. You'll learn how to implement effective exception handling to make your programs more resilient. We'll also cover graphical user interface development, enabling you to build interactive applications, and you'll complete several hands-on projects, like a banking program or a music player. Your Java learning journey doesn't end with the Brocode course. It's a continuous process. Consistent practice is key to mastering programming concepts. Challenge yourself by building your own unique projects to apply what you've learned and expand your portfolio. Remember to leverage official Java documentation and engage with online developer communities for support and new insights. Consider exploring advanced topics like multithreading or generics to continue your growth.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.